loves, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be using an app called Snapseed. You can download this app on your Android as well or your iOS. So I'll be showing you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures. I've been doing this for the longest time now, and I love using just this one app because I don't want my pictures to be too much edited. That's one thing I don't want, but still I still do want my pictures to be edited here and there, just so I can like increase the saturation, because you probably guys know this by now that if you take pictures with your camera only without the filter, I think the exposure on your pictures always decreases. That's what I notice in most of my pictures. So I'll be choosing the favorite picture that I will edit, and then I will just revent it and then show you guys how it was. I won't be speaking much in this video because everything is just so simple. You guys can actually just follow through and just see what I'm doing in this video. So this is how the picture is once you're done reventing it. So what I'll do is I'll go on the toolbar, and then this is everything that's in the toolbar. I will go on to an image. I sometimes like brighten the picture because that's how it is, and sometimes I'll also go to contrast, just so I can see how the picture will look like. And also I will also go to saturation just to give my skin that golden effect. And I'll also go to ambient as well to make sure that everything like the colors are popping. And sometimes I also do go to highlights. Sometimes I increase it, sometimes I go down. It depends on how I want the picture to look. And sometimes I do use shadow, but sometimes shadows make sure the quality of my clothes looks ashy, just like the jacket that I'm wearing. It looks a bit not great, and sometimes I hate that, but I can fix that. I'm very good at editing pictures. One thing about me, you should know, I will edit my pictures. I will crop people out, just so how I'm showing you guys right now. I will go to a saturation on, I think it's bright. Oh no, I mean I'll go to brightness and then decrease it, just so I can have the color black back, because I just want my jacket to pop. Sometimes I'll go over on my dress, or sometimes I go on my hair, because my hair can sometimes on the pictures be like gray, and I hate that. It makes my pictures like not go like the way I want it to be. And yeah, I'll just show everything to you guys on this video. I won't be speaking much. I'll probably speak here and there because everything is just so simple. I don't want to bore you guys with my boring voice. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you guys want to see like videos like this, because I edit so many things and on my Instagram, like I'm an editing hoe. So yeah, I'll right now I'll just choose like another picture, and then you guys will see without me speaking and how I actually do it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys thought of this video. So yeah. So before I even forget, you guys, if you guys want to download this app and you want my presets, I will just write down all the numbers, or is it like the volumes, on how I do this on this app. So if you guys want to use the presets that I use on my pictures, I'll probably just link them down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can just use the presets on your phone. Just save it at whatever you guys wanted to save, and then you guys can just use the presets that I've just created for myself. It's just free. You guys can just do it on your phone. I won't send you any links of my presets because I don't think Snapseed does that. But yeah, so I'll just show you guys the numbers, or slash the volumes of how I increase the editings that I do on my Snapseed. So I'll just link that in the description box for you guys, just in case some of y'all just want the volumes on how I do the picture. Again, just to remind you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and also like this video and comment down below because it helps to boost my engagement. And I would really appreciate if you do subscribe and you do like my video and comment down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next Vlogmas video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.